Want stronger legs even at 90? Eat this every day. Your legs are getting weaker, and you might not even notice it yet. One day, standing up from a chair feels just a bit harder. A few months later, climbing stairs leaves you short of breath. Before long, even short walks feel like a workout. This isn't just normal aging. It's called muscle loss, slow, silent, and dangerously easy to ignore. Here's the truth: your legs are the first to weaken as you grow older. When they do, your balance falters, your independence fades, and your risk of falling rises sharply. But here's the good news: it's not too late to rebuild them. In fact, you can start strengthening your legs right at your kitchen table. Because while exercise helps, what you eat can be just as powerful, sometimes even more effective. In this video, we'll uncover 6 powerful foods that help restore muscle, protect your bones, and keep your legs strong and steady well into your later years. Make sure you watch until the end, because the number 1 food on this list is something most seniors already have in their kitchen, but very few eat the right way. Before we begin, tell me, how old are you, and where are you watching from? I'd love to know where our Senior Health TV family is tuning in from today. Alright, let's begin. Here are 6 science-backed foods that help keep your legs strong, flexible, and full of life. Number 6. Oats, the endurance builder for tired legs. Most people see oats as a plain breakfast, but for seniors, they're one of the best foods for leg endurance and steady strength. If your legs feel heavy halfway through the day, oats can help. As we age, our muscles lose stamina because the body struggles to keep blood sugar and energy levels stable. Oats fix that by releasing carbohydrates slowly, giving your muscles fuel for hours. No crashes, no sudden fatigue, just consistent energy for walking, gardening, or staying active. Oats also rebuild your muscles. Each serving gives you plant-based protein to help repair fibers that naturally decline with age. That means better balance, stronger legs, and improved stability. They're rich in iron and magnesium, 2 nutrients many older adults lack. Iron delivers oxygen to your muscles, and magnesium relaxes them, preventing cramps and stiffness. If you've ever had a sudden night cramp, magnesium from oats can help stop it naturally. Oats also support healthy circulation by keeping blood vessels flexible, ensuring your muscles get enough oxygen to recover faster. Enjoy them warm in the morning, blended into smoothies, or baked into healthy snacks. However you eat them, oats quietly power your legs, helping them stay strong, steady, and ready for every step. Number 5. Sweet potatoes, the fuel that keeps your legs moving. When it comes to keeping your legs strong and steady, energy is everything. But not all energy lasts. Some foods give you a quick burst and leave you tired soon after. Sweet potatoes, on the other hand, provide long, steady power that fuels your muscles for hours, keeping you walking, climbing, and standing tall. As we age, our muscles don't store or use energy as efficiently. That's why simple tasks like carrying groceries or walking uphill start to feel harder. Sweet potatoes fix that naturally. They're repacked with complex carbohydrates, giving your body steady fuel without sugar crashes. Inside that bright orange flesh are vitamin A, potassium, and anti-inflammatory compounds that repair muscle micro-tears, prevent cramps, and keep your movements smooth. Vitamin A helps your muscles recover, while potassium stabilizes muscle contractions and keeps tissues hydrated. The beta-carotene in sweet potatoes also fights inflammation, one of the biggest hidden causes of stiffness and pain. Even your gut benefits. The natural fiber in sweet potatoes improves digestion and nutrient absorption, helping your muscles get more fuel from every meal. Roast them, mash them, or add them to soups. Their gentle sweetness works with almost anything, and every serving helps your legs carry you farther, one strong step at a time. Number 4. Avocados, the flexibility and cramp-fighting superfood. Avocados aren't just trendy, they're one of the best foods for keeping your legs strong, flexible, and pain-free. As we get older, stiffness creeps in, that dull ache when getting out of bed or tightness after sitting too long. Much of this comes from inflammation, which slowly wears down muscles and joints. Avocados fight that naturally. They're rich in monounsaturated fats, the good fats that calm inflammation, protect muscle tissue, and keep joints supple. That means less soreness and more freedom to move. Even better, avocados are loaded with potassium, a mineral your muscles rely on to contract properly. They actually contain more potassium than bananas, helping prevent cramps, spasms, and those painful nighttime leg tightenings. If you've ever woken up with a sharp calf cramp, low potassium could be the reason. Avocados also supply vitamin E, which repairs tiny stress points in your muscles and reduces fatigue. And their healthy fats boost circulation, helping oxygen and nutrients reach your legs faster. Add avocado to toast, blend it in smoothies, mash it into guacamole, or simply enjoy it with salt and pepper. The key is consistency. Make it part of your weekly routine and you'll feel the change: smoother movement, fewer cramps, and stronger, more flexible legs for years to come. Number 3. Berries. The muscle protector and anti-aging powerhouse. Aging is natural, but losing strength isn't. Every day your muscles face invisible enemies like free radicals and oxidative stress. You might not see them, but you feel them: stiff knees, sore legs, and lingering fatigue. That's where berries come in. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are nature's protectors. Packed with antioxidants, they act like a shield, fighting oxidative stress that weakens muscles and slows recovery. The more often you eat them, the more resilient your muscles become. Berries also reduce chronic inflammation, the hidden cause of stiff joints and sore legs, letting you move comfortably. Their vitamin C supports collagen production, keeping your muscles, tendons, and joints firm, flexible, and youthful. And they don't just protect, they energize. Berries improve circulation, delivering oxygen to your leg muscles so you recover faster. As a bonus, the same antioxidants that protect your muscles also sharpen your memory and focus. Add them to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies, or enjoy them fresh. Simple, sweet, and powerful berries truly feed both body and mind. Number 2. Salmon. The muscle rebuilder and circulation booster. Every time you stand, walk, or climb stairs, your leg muscles carry your full body weight. But with age, your ability to rebuild muscle slows, and that's where salmon helps. Salmon is one of the most powerful foods for restoring strength. It's packed with high-quality protein that gives your muscles what they need to repair and stay firm. But its greatest benefit comes from omega-3 fatty acids, healthy fats that reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and keep joints comfortable. Inflammation is one of the main reasons older adults lose strength and recover slowly. Omega-3s calm that process, helping your legs move more easily. They also boost circulation, ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles efficiently. The result: more energy, less heaviness, and faster recovery. Salmon also supports nerve health and provides B vitamins, especially B12, which turns food into clean energy for endurance and coordination. You don't need it daily. 2 or 3 servings a week can make a difference. Grilled, baked, or canned with olive oil and lemon, every bite rebuilds, recharges, and restores your legs from the inside out. Number 1. Eggs, the complete strength builder. If you ask doctors or nutritionists which food best rebuilds strength after 60, most will say the same thing: eggs. They're small, simple, and affordable, but each one holds a complete package of nutrients your muscles depend on to stay strong. As we age, muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, speeds up. Eggs help fight that by providing all 9 essential amino acids, the exact building blocks your muscles need to repair and grow. They're also one of the best natural sources of vitamin D, which supports both bones and muscle coordination. Low vitamin D levels are common in older adults and often cause weakness and fatigue. Inside each yolk, you'll also find choline, which keeps nerves and muscles communicating smoothly, helping you move with better control and steadier balance. Eggs also contain B vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats that protect muscle cells and keep your energy stable throughout the day. You don't need many. 1 or 2 eggs a day is enough. Scrambled, boiled, or mixed with vegetables, they make the perfect daily strength food. Because sometimes the simplest foods truly build the strongest foundations. Do you need all 6 every day? Not necessarily. You can mix and match them throughout the week. What matters most is consistency. Even a few servings of each can noticeably improve your strength and energy. The best time to eat them? Morning is ideal. Starting your day with nutrient-rich foods fuels your muscles and keeps your energy steady. But if you prefer them later, that's fine too. Your body benefits whenever you nourish it. Can you combine them? Absolutely. Try oats with berries, or salmon with avocado. Their nutrients work even better together. Nutritionists call this food synergy. And one more thing, do you need exercise for results? Yes, light movement helps these nutrients work faster. Even short walks or chair exercises activate your muscles, helping your diet do its job. Nutrition fuels your body. Movement awakens it. Together, they rebuild your legs from the inside out. Sweet potatoes fuel your muscles with lasting energy. Oats provide steady strength and prevent cramps. Avocados reduce inflammation and improve flexibility. Berries repair muscle fibers and protect your joints. Salmon rebuilds tissue, improves circulation, and restores vitality. Eggs supply the full nutrient package your legs need to stay powerful. Together, these 6 foods create a natural defense against the weakness that comes with aging. If climbing stairs leaves you tired, or your legs feel heavy and stiff, it's not too late to change that. Your body still listens to what you feed it. Start today. Even small changes can bring real results. Within weeks, you may feel steadier, lighter, and more confident with every step. Disclaimer: this information is for educational purposes only and should not replace medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making major dietary changes, especially if you manage chronic conditions or take medication. Remember, your legs are your foundation. When they stay strong, you stay independent, mobile, and in control of your life. Even small, consistent changes in your diet can lead to big improvements in how you feel each day. So start with one change this week. Maybe add sweet potatoes to dinner or toss berries into breakfast. Each bite is an investment in your strength and freedom. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to Senior Health TV for more tips on staying active and healthy after 60. Which of these 6 foods do you already eat, and which one will you add this week? Tell us in the comments below. Your story could inspire someone else to start their journey to stronger legs too.